This is Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E review. Asus announced the ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E at CES 2021, the latest laptop from the company to feature a second screen. Asus has hinted at the use of a second screen on previous ZenBook Duos and the gaming-oriented Zephyrus Duo 15 GX550 laptop, but the second screen on those devices has never felt crucial. It costs more, $2,600 or £1,499, and includes a Core i7-1165G7 processor, NVIDIA MX450 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. With a sleek design and the kind of build quality we've grown accustomed to from ZenBook, the ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E feels and looks like a premium laptop. ScreenPad Plus is a second screen that adds a 12.65-inch touchscreen with a 1920 by 515 resolution below the main 14-inch 1080p screen. This may be the most controversial aspect of the ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E's design, since it is not for everyone. You will probably want to use a wrist rest when typing, so you must use the laptop on a table or desk. In addition to having the latest Intel Core 11th generation processors, this laptop also wakes up from sleep quickly, and the laptop's battery lasted about 12 hours during our testing. The Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E is an excellent laptop with excellent performance and long battery life. Thanks to its thin and light design, the ScreenPad Plus is not bulky or cumbersome, and Asus deserves credit for making sure that the device is more than a gimmick. There are two versions of the ZenBook Duo 14 available in the US and the UK, but they are quite different. The base configuration comes with an Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD for $999.99. A higher-end model is also available for $1,299.99 with an Intel Core i7-1165G7, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. Base model features an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, NVIDIA MX450 graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB SSD for £1,499. It offers the same spec, but doubles the RAM to 32GB and the storage space to 1TB for a full-priced price of £1,699. The second screen is the most notable feature of the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E. The Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E looks like a premium thin and light ultrabook at first glance, which will please anyone who was concerned that the second screen would result in a bulky device. This is a 14-inch laptop that measures 32.40 by 22.20 by 1.69 centimeters, and it weighs 1.62 kilograms. It sports the metallic brushed finish we've seen on previous ZenBooks, resulting in a notebook that feels both premium and robust. On the left are two Usbc ports, which can be used to charge the laptop, and a full-size HDMI port. There is a USB-A port, an audio jack, and a microSD card slot on the right. Open the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E, and its unique design will be revealed. It is a 12.65-inch touchscreen with a 1920 by 515 resolution and a stylus that is located directly below the main screen. IPS panels are bright and vivid, so the second screen does not feel extraneous. Since the ScreenPad Plus sits just below the main screen, the keyboard is moved forward to the bottom of the lower half of the laptop, which can take some getting used to, and also means there is no place to rest your wrists as you type. Over the touchpad are two additional buttons related to the ScreenPad Plus. The first one switches between the main screen and the second. If you do not wish to use the second screen and do not wish to be distracted by it, you can disable the ScreenPad Plus with the second button. The touchpad is placed on the right side of the keyboard, as with previous ZenBook Duo laptops. As you open the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E, the ScreenPad Plus rises slightly on the Asus Ergo lift hinge. Two fans inside the laptop, as well as a large bore heat pipe, also serve to dissipate heat. The main screen here is a 14-inch 1080p IPS screen. The bezels around the screen are pleasingly thin, and Asus claims a screen-to-body ratio of 93%. As with Project Athena and Ultrabooks before it, Intel Evo highlights products that come with premium components and features, the idea being that when you purchase an Intel Evo laptop, you can expect certain levels of performance. Thus, the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E is equipped with an Intel Core i7-1165G or Core i5-1135G7 processor, Intel Iris X graphics and Thunderbolt 4. In addition, Intel Evo laptops must have thin bezels around the screen, offer over 9 hours of battery life, and wake up in less than a second. Our testing of the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E revealed impressive performance across multiple applications, web browsing and media streaming. Overall, The Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E offers a very good overall laptop experience. Windows 10 powers on quickly and responsively, and creative applications benefit from the extra power this new model provides, as well as the enhanced Screen Pad Plus. To qualify as an Intel Evo product, the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E must have a battery life of at least 9 hours. The Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E lasted 11 hours and 50 minutes in our battery tests, which consisted of looping a video at 50% brightness. We found the Asus ZenBook Duo 14 UX482E to have good battery life in our day-to-day use. So, unless you're doing some very heavy video editing, this laptop should be able to easily carry you through a whole working day. It's an impressive performance for a dual-screen laptop.